Good day everybody. So this is a Sony Xperia XZ premium smartphone. Okay, so it has a 19 megapixel camera and 30 megapixel front camera, 5.5 inch screen, and with 4K high definition display, and it's connected and charged using USB Type-C, and battery capacity 3230 and 64 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, and it can also take up micro SD card. Looking at a close-up view of a phone, the front screen is very shiny, and it has a round edges on the side, both sides. The back is also very shiny. And on the left hand side, this plastic bits does come up for the micro SD card and nano SIM card. To power up, the button is on the right hand side,